Hey, in today's video, we're gonna be planting blueberries. That's right. I need to hurry up before it becomes night because I've been planting all day. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna dig out my area for my blueberries, and this topsoil looks amazing because the wood chips have already started to break down, and it's gonna be a nice area to plant. So let me make this hole. But now the soil is starting to change because of the clay down here, but we still gonna make it work. So I just got finished digging my planting hole. I dug it a little too deep, but don't worry, I'll fix that. But what I am gonna use this time, I'm going to use my peat moss. All right, I had this bag for a long time. Now I've seen others that used it and they had great success with it, and I didn't do it. So I get berries, but I don't get a lot like everybody else. So guess what? I'm gonna make that change. I'm not gonna keep making the same mistake. So I already have some rainwater in here. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down, but I probably better turn my head because this stuff is pretty dry, and I don't want to breathe it in. I know, I probably should have had a mask on, but I wasn't thinking. So let me go ahead and mix this up. I am probably gonna have to add some more water in here, but we'll see. I'm trying to get it in before it goes dark, y'all. Then y'all won't be able to see me. I got 2 more things to plant today. I already planted 2 fruit trees. I got 1 more fruit tree to plant, and I got 1 more blueberry to plant, and then I'm going inside. But it'll be dark by then, so guess what? Y'all know I'm gonna go ahead and put all my big lights up, and if I have to bring lights from in the house, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done because I'm getting these jokers in. One reason why we add the peat moss, it lowers the pH, and that is going to be great for the blueberries. But I didn't do it, y'all. I just didn't do it. Shame on me. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add some peat moss down here and try to mix it up into the soil somewhat. And I think I kind of overdid it with the water because I added some more. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the natural soil out. Mix that in there. This is gonna be good. All right, so this is the plant. I almost hit myself. All right, this is the plant that we are going to be putting in here. It's called the Titan. It better be a Titan, I tell you that. So let me look and see. Nope. Let me go back and add some more peat moss, and then we should be ready. I don't want to get it. It's getting kind of soupy, but let me go ahead and top it off. Like we baking a cake. We're making different layers. Even though I don't know nothing about baking a cake. All right, I hope you don't mind that I brought you in a little closer so we get it just right. All right, so I'm going to put my soil around it. I'm gonna make sure that I can get it still straight as possible. So I'm gonna straighten it up. And if I need to pull up on the plant a little bit, I'll do that. And you already know from the last video how to get the air pockets out by pressing down, since you saw my video before. All right, so we're good to go with that. I'm gonna go get some more soil and fill it up. Show you the next step. All right, so once again for the air pockets, I'm pressing down on it gently, making sure I get all the air pockets out. That's important. So this is a brand new plant that I'm putting down here. I want to put some soil acidifier down, and the directions say for a brand new plant, do 1/4 cup and then you can do it again in intervals as needed, 60 days to drop the pH down also. So I guess you just look at how the plant is doing. So let's go ahead and get that done. Now it says to spray all around, even out to the drip line. And you also got to make sure you water it well. So after I scratch it in, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do just that. All right, so let me get the other little part of it. All right, so I'm gonna scratch that in. And after I scratch it in, I'm gonna cover it up with the mulch. All right, so let's bring the mulch back around. And this is gonna help this plant retain moisture. And when it breaks down, we're gonna have that good fertilizer. Homegrown. And all we had to do was just put down the wood chips, which I really got to do that next time. Guess I didn't want to do a chip drop and break my back, but it got to be done. I might have to get 2 this season. All right, watered in well, and I'm using my rainwater, of course. But if you don't have that, use what you have. All right. So the next thing I need is for you to share this video with others so that they know how to plant blueberries. So you don't have to always go to the grocery store. You can get them fresh out your backyard. They're gonna taste better, guaranteed. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.